All right, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT BNB from Metamask. So I'm opening up Chrome. I'm going to click on the little box. Um, Usually I click on this little hamburger button and then go down to expand view. You might be on the all networks. If you are, I just pull this up and go to the BNB chain. And from here, I click, actually, so I don't have USDT showing, so I'm going to click import tokens and I'm going to say USDT. And so I'm going to add in this USDT Tether, import that in. So it's got that same little icon as the BNB. So you're on the BNB chain. And then you click on Tether, which is pegged at $1. I'm going to click buy. If the first time coming in here, you're going to have to click at the bottom. It'll say connect to MetaMask. You click that and then you hit yes, and it'll connect to the MetaMask. So I am buying. I'm going to switch my token to USDT. And I'm going to do this BNB chain right here, USD with the yellow little icon. And I am going to buy, I will put $100 in here. And I'm going to say, see more quotes. And again, so MoonPay is deceiving. They say they're going to give you $98 worth. When you get in here, it's going to be like $93. It's going to be like what, kind of closer to what Banks has given you down here. So it's deceiving. Ramp is what you get. So when you're looking at this, if you're getting $93, that's about a 7% fee on 100. This is about 4.75%. So you're saving a couple percent. So when you start adding this up, if you're doing $1,000, it adds up. So I'm just gonna go back to Ramp, use Ramp, continue with the Ramp network. I've already done my KYC, so it's gonna probably pop me right in here. If it's your first time, you're gonna have to KYC and put some information in here, show your ID, probably do a selfie with your camera so you get approved. I already have my card information in here. I'm gonna continue with Visa. I'm gonna put my code in here. And they're gonna do a secondary check here, most likely. I don't know if this is just Wells Fargo that does this, but um, I am using a debit card as well on all these, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but I'm gonna say yes, send me a code. So they're gonna text me. I'm gonna click that code or the link. It's gonna say, is this your purchase? Takes a second and then says, yes, it's mine. I click that and then it starts loading here. In progress, final checks in progress, crypto delivery. So it's all pretty fast. Just gotta saying, yep, so I'm back to MetaMask. Go to my dashboard and I now have, where is my, oh here, I gotta go to network. I'm gonna deselect all and then go to the BNB chain and there we go, got my $95 in USDT. And that's how you purchase on MetaMask. Thank you.